And thinking aloud, it just occurred to me, I'm not sure that I checked that the last lot of money I sent arrived. The thing is, the time when I wanted to check, which was the Friday, last Friday, it overlapped with this problem of the witnessing of this statement. It just took all my attention. It was something out of the blue completely.
I think that we'll both be happy when our real estate businesses are settled.
Sure.
A word in my head. Glockenspiel. Clock game. Bell game.